One of those products is TopLIne Dash. TopLIne Dash is a reporting tool that we often recommend to extend the capabilities of ACT. Trial mode. So TopLIne Dash, let me actually pull something up here. Folders, ACT v17 demo. Okay, so I'm in my Marshall's dashboard here, and what I've basically created here is a KPI dashboard of new contacts by lead source. KPIs are one of the areas in which ACT falls short. ACT's dashboards can give you charts and graphs and things like that, but they really come up short when it comes to doing a KPI like this, where you just want to see some raw numbers and data sets like this. And TopLIne Dash is really great at building these. TopLIne Dash also gives us some advanced filtering options that we can't get through ACT. So for example, if I go into my query here, I can easily include or exclude certain types of referral sources, maybe certain ID statuses that are in this list over here. I can very easily do that within TopLIne Dash. It's not so easy within ACT by itself. You can also report on inside of Dash any ACT entity. So whether it's histories, notes, activities, opportunities, contacts, groups, companies, or even custom sub-entities that you've created in your database, TopLIne Dash creates a reporting platform for those. And let me show you also how easy it is to create a couple of reports in here. I'm actually going to add a couple of panels to this dashboard. Let me go and add. Here's my panel wizard. Let's create a history query. So I'm going to run a history query of histories linked to contacts, where the history table, the history end date is within the last 30 days. Okay, pretty simple and easy to put that in there. Say OK. I want to create a graph. So I'm actually going to choose the history type as my category field, history record manager as my group field. A bar graph sounds like a great idea, so next, OK. And there's my history graph right there showing, OK, here are Allison's histories. You can click on those. That brings up this next window here. And you can actually see the list of those particular histories, those particular meetings that she's had. It's really easy to drill down in these as well. Let me create another one quickly here. I'm going to add a new panel to the side of that. So that sort of shrinks that one, which that's OK. We can still see that information, still decipher and interpret that report. So let me go next here. This time we'll do an activity dashboard. We'll do an activity query. And we're going to do activities which are linked to contacts. We're going to search the activity table for a start date time that's within the next 30 days. So the history, we're looking in the past 30 days. With this, we'll look at the next 30 days. And then we say, OK. We'll do a graph again. Maybe I'll do a pie chart this time, though. Break it down by user. Say next, and OK. And there we've got our breakdown of the next 30 days worth of activities by user. Say I wanted to change that. I just click on my little panel right there, my little display screen, and say, you know what, I don't want to see it by user. I want to see it by activity type. I want to know how many calls, how many meetings, things like that. That's really easy to do, too. So as you can see, I mean, it just takes minutes to create these items. Very easy to create. It's a more powerful tool than what you get out of the box. And it's only $149. It's such a huge time saver.